Hello guys, welcome to my channel Netcast on WebTech Zone. So in this video tutorial I am going to show you how you can upload the photos in Google Drive and share the link in your laptop or desktop. So let's start the video, and at the end, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let me start with the video. Okay guys, so come here in your browser and log in with your account, and here we need to go in Google Drive. So let me open Google Drive first. Okay, so here the Google Drive. So here this is our home page. Okay, so you can create the individual folder for your photos, or you can also, if you have photos on your device, computer device, you can upload directly folders. Okay, so I just create the folder here for photos. Okay, new folders. Okay, and give the name like photos to share to xyz to xyz, whatever you want. You can give the name, then create. Then you can see your folder and the date and time when you created this folder. Now just open that folder, and here you can upload that photos. Okay, now go to the new and just go to the file upload. So here we are going to upload your photos from your device. Okay, so here we have the documents and we have some photos here. So let me, okay, we have, okay, so I just select that photos. You can select multiple photos randomly. Just click, hold control key and hold it and select your photos. Okay, or if you want to select all photos, then select enter the control plus A. Okay, then all photo, if you have all photos in your device folder, then all photos will be select. Okay, so for now I just select 3-4 photos. Okay, just open it. Now it start uploading here. Okay, so one PDF I have uploaded, so let me delete it. Documents. So now we have the 3 PNG file or photos file in this folder. Okay, now come to the my drive, and here that is the folder. You can directly share this folder, like we have the all photos here, so you can directly share that folder. Right click on it and go to the share and go to the share links. Here the two options that you can use to share your photos, your uploaded photos. Okay, so here in restricted means only people with access can open this link. Okay, so here we need to add that email id, personal email id, so that mentioned email id only can view your photos. Okay, so it is like, and when you add email id, so here you can see the role. You can change the role, like editor means they can edit your files or delete your files. Commenter means they can give the edit suggestion to change, and viewer means they can only view, they can't change anything. So you can add the more the email id of this person. Okay, we have add a few email ids. Now you can send this. You can also give some message and send it. So this notification will send to their email id, and they can get the access link, or you can simply copy this link from here and share via your email or WhatsApp or whatever. Okay, and another option, you can see the on anyone this link, like it is like public link. So anyone person, here the role you can change. Okay, so any person with this link can open your photos, uploaded photos. Okay, so this okay, this could open in incognito mode also, you can see, because this is public link. Just copy it and share it. Okay, so I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.